Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is need of closed loop op-amp. By the end of this class you will be understanding what are the limitations of open loop op-amp which give rise to the usage of closed loop op-amps. So as you all know, op-amp stands for operational amplifier. So operational amplifier or op-amp can be connected in two modes. One is open loop mode and other one is closed loop mode. Open loop op-amp is known as without feedback. Closed loop op-amps are known as feedback amplifiers. Okay, let us start the definition of a feedback amplifier. An op-amp that uses feedback is called feedback amplifier. It is also called closed loop amplifier because the feedback forms a closed loop between the input and the output. So now let us come to the limitations of open loop op-amp. Coming to the limitations, the first point is the open loop gain denoted by capital A is very high. Only the smaller signals of the order of microvolt or less having very low frequency, that is weak signals, very order of microvolts and low frequency may be amplified accurately without distortion, and signals this small are very susceptible to noise and almost impossible to obtain in the laboratory. So what is the first limitation? The open loop gain is very high. So we need the input signal of the order of microvolts or very low frequency which are difficult to obtain in the laboratory. Coming to the second point, the variations in voltage gain of open loop op-amp are relatively large. The open loop op-amps gain varies either due to change in temperature or power supply, which makes the open loop op-amp unsuitable for many linear applications. Linear applications. So first point is gain is very high, so we need very weak signals which are difficult to obtain in the laboratory. Second point is the variations in gain is due to either variations in temperature or changes in power supply which make it unsuitable for many linear applications. The third point is the bandwidth of an open loop op-amp, for example 741C, is approximately 5 Hz, in which in almost applications a bandwidth larger than 5 Hz is needed. In AC applications, we need generally a signals larger than 5 Hz. So these three basic reasons of open loop op-amp, or we can say these are the limitations of open loop op-amp. Due to large gain of open loop op-amp, we need weak signals, and the gain is also varying due to power supply or due to temperature. So it is unsuitable for many linear applications. So open loop op-amp is generally not used in linear applications because of the above three reasons mentioned. The open loop op-amp is generally not used in linear applications. By feedback, the gain of the op-amp denoted by AF can be controlled. So when we apply a feedback through a feedback circuit in an op-amp, we get feedback amplifier whose gain can be controlled by the feedback elements. So the need of closed loop op-amp is, I hope it is clear. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck students.